All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your What is words today? All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I've got some bad news. It looks like we've lost another big-time music bot from Discord. Rythm bot is going to have to cease their service on the 15th of September 2021 at around 1600 hours. Not sure which time zone. And they were hit with another cease and desist, the same way that Groovy was, from the YouTube team that basically said that they need to shut down their services because they probably break terms of service for the YouTube API. And if you're not super familiar with Rythm bot is the #1 music bot on Discord. It was started back in 2016 as a project between some friends and the lead developer, and it's become the largest bot on Discord, with over 20 million communities or servers that enjoy playing music through it on a daily basis. Unfortunately, if I had to guess, they probably broke terms of service in a number of different ways, including stripping out the ads that YouTube would otherwise need it to run in order to make money to pay for the bandwidth that it uses, and 20 million servers is a lot of bandwidth. And they also do things like let you put effects on the audio, tweak the audio in a number of different ways, and the biggest one is it's not really a free service, at least not completely. They offer you a premium version that lets you unlock a bunch of additional features if you pay for it. But obviously, if YouTube can't serve ads, they can't make any money off of this to pay for the bandwidth, so they're just going to shutter it entirely. Now, all is not lost. Rythm has noted here in the center of their post that they are currently working on a new service that is going to be unveiled in the next few months that completely changes the way that they deliver music, probably over Discord, so that they don't breach terms of service and that they can continue to run and offer you a premium service that we all know and love. So don't kick the bot off your server just yet. We'll see what they've got going on, and I'm probably going to join their Discord community, and I'll put the link to join in the video description below so you can get the latest news on what's going on with the development of the new service. In the meantime, I'm going to put together this evening another video offering you a list of the other bots that you can use in the interim. Hopefully they don't get taken down as well, but your guess is as good as mine. This might be the end of music bots on Discord entirely, or unless that Discord decides to broker some kind of deal with YouTube that allows these bots to function again. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This sucks, but I'll catch you next time, and I'll keep you posted about what happens and if they decide to put together something new, and I'll, of course, show you how to get it working in the future. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Rest in peace, Rythm, for the moment, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.